Using the digital library is one of the fastest ways to add content if you don't already have pre-built content. To add from the digital library, click Add Activity and click on Library. You can search for text or use the filters to find something specific, or you can click on one of the resources you have available to you. For example, if I'm teaching math, I can open up Khan Academy and choose one of their subjects. I can continue to drill down into my particular area that I need. I'm now at the folder level where I can bring in entire folders, or I can look in those folders for the exact subject that I'm looking for. In this example, maybe I'm looking for converting percentages to decimals and fractions. I can add this to the cart, and you see here it's now added. I can create a link, which is a direct link, or a copy, which allows me to modify settings. I'm going to click Copy, and it immediately displays in my syllabus as part of my playlist. I can choose to make it visible or not by selecting the eye and make it red with a line through it. If I select it to make it visible, it will be gray. I can edit that activity, or in my More options, I can preview this, move it up and down, move it to another folder, duplicate it, copy it to my library, or delete it. If I choose to edit this, in the Activity tab, it's going to open the settings. And in this example, it's a website, so it's showing me a URL and the title, and I can change the settings. We will go over activity settings in a different video. When I'm done, I click Save. You can continue adding activities from the library by choosing Add Activity and Library.